Hello, hello! Here I am, the man behind the screen. Hi, everybody. This is your professor, Zach Knowlton. You can call me Zach. You can call me Mr. Knowlton. You can call me Professor Knowlton. Whenever we're corresponding, whatever you'd like to refer to me as, I'm generally okay with. Uh, a long time ago, I actually was working with Boys and Girls Club, and I was in charge of 50 fifth and sixth graders, which was insanity. But we let the kids pick our nicknames within reason, and they would often refer to me as Z Money. So if you really, really want to, you can call me Professor Z Money. I will answer to that. Um, Although, if you are at the end of this course looking for a letter of recommendation or anything of the sort, I'll make sure to sign it Professor Knowlton for you. I wanted to make this video to give you a little bit of a glimpse into who I am as a person. Um, you're going to get to see a lot of different things coming from me in the form of feedback and interaction when we get into our discussion post this semester. You've already got a glimpse into kind of how I lay things out and how I organize my materials based on our welcome letter. And if you've poked around our modules at all, then you've kind of got a sense of my attempt at being organized. I think I do a fairly decent job. It's not perfect, but I try to make sure that everything is as orderly as possible for you. But I really wanted to make this video just so I could say hi to everybody. In the future, I may use videos to introduce units. I may also use videos to give you some brief feedback, although not all of my feedback is going to be in video form. In any case, welcome once again to English 1A. I'm excited for this semester to kick off, and I hope you're excited to join me as we start exploring identity and race and culture as it relates to English and as it relates to education. Thanks. Bye.